Okay, now we are going to learn how to create list. In HTML, there's two types of list. One is unordered and the other one is ordered. So you see a lot of list on web pages actually. Most of the lists are being used for menus, whether it is horizontal menu or whether it is vertical menu. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to actually create a simple list. Alright, and we are going to start with unordered list first. So whenever you want to create unordered list, it's very simple. The tag that you need is actually UL. UL stands for unordered list. You open, give some space, and you close. This is the grouping of the list. But for the list item, okay, so you have LI. Close your LI. Okay, this is a list. Alright, so to write the content of the list, you cannot write it here. This is not the place. Okay, wrong. You write the content of the list here. Okay, let's say let's do a list of the reading materials that we have. Okay, one is book. Let's add another one, newspaper. Let's add another one. Let's put as magazines. So this is a list with 3 items. So save this and let's have a look at the output. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger for you so that you can actually see what's happening. Okay, so by default, the bullets here is actually a black dot. Okay, so this is a default list with 3 items. Okay, what if you don't like this? You can change. So what you do is, inside your UL tag, give a space and put type. Okay, you can put square. Save. Refresh. You'll get square. Okay, just now it was a black dot. Now it is a black square. Still you don't like it. You can change it to circle. Save. Refresh. You'll get a circle image. These are the 3 images or bullets that you can use for unordered list. You can choose either one of it. Alright. Now, why is it called unordered? Because there's no sequence. These are all patterns. There's no sequence to it. Okay. Okay. This is the first list. So, what if I want to insert a sub list? Meaning, example, this is the second list, right? So I want to add a sub list for this, meaning under newspaper I want to write New Straits Times and I want to write The Star, okay, which comes under newspaper category. So what do? I go here, give some space, give a tab, okay, indent a bit. I use another UL, close the UL because this is going to be another list, but it is a sub list. LI, okay, New Straits Times. Sorry for the typo. It's supposed to be capital T, and let me close this. Let's do another one, Berita Harian. Close LI. Okay, and I want it to be the black dot. Alright, so what I can do is I can leave it as it is, or I can put, the black dot has a name as well. You can put as disk. Okay, so let's see the output. Refresh, you'll get that. Okay, let's say below Berita Harian I want to have another one. I want to put it as Bahasa Malaysia. Alright, so what I do, this is Berita Harian. I want to have a sub list for this. I go to the end here, put it down, go inside, UL again. I'm using all the way unordered list. Okay, inside I want to have only one, which is Bahasa Malaysia. Okay, so I close this, save, and let's look at the output. Okay, this one I think I'll do circle. The type is circle. Save this and refresh. This is what I'll get. So I have a list with a sub list with a sub list. So this is how you actually do it. The first UL is for the main list. The one that you see here is for the second list, and the last one that you see here is for the final or the third list. Alright, so this is how an unordered list look like.